Right, what's up guys? So I'm going to do a quick trade recap of today. Today was Monday. So a few trades panned out. I think from my previous video, you've seen that we took, we took an EU buy. These were the two trades and we saw that go straight to TP. A nice 1:3. I think I took my profits somewhere around there. As we can see, it continued moving up. If we wanted to leave some runners, of course, this drawdown would have been a headache, but however, you would have still gotten some good, decent profits. Now looking at the New York session, looking at the New York session, this is what price action we had. Again, still some bullish momentum going that way. We had a pullback. We would have expected a higher high, but we didn't get that. So this is what our range looked like. If you see, this is a week high right here. Then we got a week low right there. And it seems that these highs were respected. Price came and formed a lower high, then went ahead and broke structure, gave us a lower low. So what we're anticipating is a pullback possibly, then another lower low, which we got, a minor pullback, then we got another lower low. So if price gave us that, looks like structure might have changed possibly. However, this is a range in itself, not very clear trend. So just being cautious there, I put in half the risk to see what would have happened. Now, I was happy about this move down here with a pullback and another aggressive move, showing me that sellers were still strong. In that sense, what price left us here is a beautiful supply area, which again, price came back, mitigated that area right here, and then aggressively pushed to the downside, giving me double confirmation that sellers are taking over. With that said, I marked out my supply zone there. As you can see, I'm just going to replay this to there. As you can see, I have my supply zone there. I have my extreme zone, which is also what formed the high. So I don't expect these highs to be mitigated because I do have confirmation that this is sort of going to move or push lower, possibly filling up some of these imbalances from earlier in the London session to give us a nice, good trade. Now, what we're looking for is some sort of entry. We can see that we also have minor demand here, possibly, that could give you a very aggressive entry. However, I'm not looking for that because I want my my supply zones to be above the equilibrium 50%. So this one is not valid for me. Okay, so we'll forward price a bit, see what it does. It gives us another break of structure to the downside over here, which again is a great price action, as we can see. So do we get a pullback? We do get a pullback with a sort of change of character right there, or market structure shift. We can see it. We do have a lot of liquidity here. And what we know about price is that if there is liquidity, price will want to come and take out that liquidity before continuing in its intended direction. Now we also have resting liquidity up here. However, we don't want to see price come all the way up. If it does close above this, then our sell bias is invalidated, right? So price keeps moving through the New York session. We can see it tap right into that zone. That's where my first entry was at. And I was expecting price to push now down lower. We can see that it's giving us confirmation that it is going lower because we can see that it's taking out this external liquidity right here that has just been formed. So internal liquidity to external liquidity. So then we expect it to come and take out these lows, then further come and take out those lows. Now, so we're tapped in. Price pushed down aggressively, which is great, straight to TP, which is I'm happy about. It was a great trade, and that is my EU recap trade for the day.